Hey everybody, welcome back. Rob Booker here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. For those of you that are enjoying these pivots, I'm so happy that you are. I'm recording a ton of videos all at the same time. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching that playlist yesterday about taking this trade on Adobe. It's only like 20 minutes later after I actually took that trade. But I want to tell you the story of what happened after I took that trade. So here we are on the charts, and I'm going to draw and show you a couple things. So I took the trade around here, and I bought a call that expires on Friday for $4.35. So that was a $435 transaction. And if that expired worthless, I was going to lose $435. That's crazy. What can you buy, Justin, for $435?
Camera lens.
Camera lens, like cheeseburgers, like a lot of cheeseburgers. We do like cheeseburgers, okay? You could buy a bunch of stuff. And I didn't want to lose $435, but I did want to take a trade and show you how much I liked doing that. Well, what was it, 5 minutes after I took that trade? The underlying stock itself jumped up to $256 a share, and the option that I bought went up to $4.65, and I made a gain of like $33. So I jumped into my Robinhood account and I set up the profit target. And as you can see here, I got it. So I made $33 in 5 minutes. And I have a bunch of lessons or thoughts about this real quick, and then we can move on. The first thought is, what the jerks will teach you is you got to hold on to your winners and ride your winners and blah, blah, blah. No, you have to make money. The fastest way to become a pro trader is to close your winning trades. And people tell me all the time, I'm a losing trader and I don't know how to win. And I said, did you have any trades last week that were profitable for any length of time? And they go, yeah. Okay, close them. Close them. Well, it's not a lot. I can't live off of that. Well, I can't live off of $33, but I could buy Justin lunch for his birthday for $33. I could do something with $33. The fastest way to become a profitable trader is so stupidly simple. It's to close your winning trades. I made money. I'm closing the trade. You might think, well, how's it going to make more money? Number two, take another trade. Find another one. So how do we find them? That's the question. How do you find them? Here's what I want to do. I want to review what we said the other day, which I'm not sure was abundantly clear, but I want to review it right now. You find stocks or other financial instruments you love. Okay, that's number one. You might use magicformulainvesting.com. You might only like buying the British pound because of Brexit, and you think the British Parliament is going to vote to slowly exit from the European Economic Union, and so you like the British pound. So you find instruments you love, and then you trade them in that direction using pivots. And below this video is a link to a pivot point indicator for MetaTrader, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, TradingView, NinjaTrader, and other platforms, plus a strategy that you can use. So you find instruments that you love, and then you buy them when they hit that S3 or they complete the stuff that we talked about, or you find financial instruments that you hate, like a bunch of financial instruments that are garbage, like unprofitable companies, and then you short them or you buy puts when they hit R3, which is what we've been talking about all week long. Let me just, you might wonder why are we talking about this again? Because it is so simple. This is all so simple. This is not complicated business. You find a list of financial instruments that you like. How do you find a list of financial instruments that you like to buy? I don't know, try magicformulainvesting.com. How do you find a list of companies that are garbage? I don't know, find a bunch of internet companies that don't have any profits. That's still a thing. Even 19 years later after the 2000 tech crash, 2001 bubble, still a thing. Find a bunch of internet stocks that don't have profits and short them or buy puts when they hit R3. Simple, simple. And here's the other thing that we do. You close your winning trades. Maybe you make a little bit of money, close them. Maybe next time you wait a little bit longer, close it. You don't have to make a ton of money on each trade. You just have to start making money and then keep it. That's all you got to do. You don't have to do anything else. That's 100% of what you need to do. And it's super simple. It's super easy. It's no big deal. I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for being here along for the ride all week long on YouTube. We're doing Pivot Month for the month of March. March is Pivot Month. I got the indicator download for you below this video. And I'm going to add additional strategies to that class that you get for free when you download that indicator. So jump on over, share it with your friends. I'm so excited that you're here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Rob Booker, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.